Hi guys, my name is Shion Digital. So in this video, I want to show you how to connect your Paws to the website because it's one of the things they asked us to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Yesterday was the snapshot, so today let's connect our website to Paws. So first thing, what you want to do is to come to N. If you come under N, all right, you're going to see in-game. Click on it. Then the first thing you're going to see here, verify via website, Paws website. So click on start. Then it's going to give you option for your browser. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this. All right. So let's click on this browser. Oh, we're waiting for that. While we're waiting for you to subscribe on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and also you can drop a comment under the comment section and like this video if you're going to get value from it. Now, this is the website. So what you need to do here is simple. Number one, here is the link that you can copy to refer your friends and all. Why this part is where you're going to connect your wallet, the two wallets, the Solana wallet and the Ton wallet. So let's click on it. So if you click on it, you're going to see this, which is connect wallet. So I'm going to click on connect wallet, the Ton wallet. So once I do that, I'm going to select Tonkeeper. I want to connect my Tonkeeper to that. All right. So he say install Tonkeeper, do this, don't do that. So since I have installed Tonkeeper, I don't necessarily need to do all of this again. Secondly, sign into your Tonkeeper. So let's do sign into your Tonkeeper. I just click on sign into my Tonkeeper. So this is my Tonkeeper. So I'm gonna click on connect. Put in my password, my fingerprint. All right, now I've connected the Tonkeeper to the web. All right, so let's allow the web to load. We're waiting for it. So you can also drop the link to join our Telegram group. Let's join the group because 2025 is going to be awesome. All right, so you don't want to miss it. So verify yourself. Click on verify yourself. And done. So we're done with that. We're done with that. All right. So now that we've done, so we can just continue in web. So I'm going to click on that again. Okay, it should take me back to the website, but let's just wait for it. So you can join us in the Telegram group to have more opportunity next year. You don't want to miss that. All right. So now we've done that. The next thing you want to do, click on EA again. So once you click on it, you can see this one is connected. So let's connect this. Click on it. You have to be fast. You know, for me, I have to be fast with the browser. So I'm going to click on Phantom. I'm going to say connect Phantom wallet. So it's going to take me to the browser. So I have to be fast to click on somewhere in this one. I'll click on it. It will take me to the app. So once it takes me to the app, I'm just going to wait for it. Let's wait for it. So you're going to have this. Just unlock your phone, then click on next, which is connect here. So once you click on connect, just wait for it. All right. So now it opens the browser. So what I need to do is to just wait. So it's going to say sign in. Click on sign message. So once you click on sign message, it's going to take you back to your Phantom. So you're going to see sign in message. So click on confirm. And once you confirm that, it's going to take you back to the site here. So you just wait for it. Verify, just wait for it. And once you're done, you can see, so you can click here and voila. So the two account is connected. So that's how to connect to the web and you're good to go. So the next thing you want to do is to check here for claiming. So if let me close this one. So if you click on this 3 line, you can see claim. All right. So the claim is not yet available. You can see claim is coming soon. So I believe you're going to come to the web to claim when it's time. So I'm going to click on got it. Then if I click dashboard, it's going to take me back to dashboard. This is the dashboard. So this is how to connect it. But let me show you one thing. Let's go to the one on Telegram. Let's see something. From here you can see that on this one there is no claim here. There's no 3 line that you can claim, but let's see what we have here in wallet. So we only have that we've connected our wallet, so let's close it. So the claim is not here. So for you to claim, I believe you're going to go to the website to claim it, and once you've connected the website like I showed you, if you want to navigate to the website, just click on website or visit our website. Once you do that, select the browser you use. So I use this one, so let me click on it. So it's going to take me to the browser immediately. All right, once it takes me to the browser, then I can just go ahead and click claim to claim my allocation, and that's also you just click on 3 line, then click on claim. By that time you have the claim option. You have opportunity to claim your points. So that's all I need to show you in this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and drop the nice comment. You can also join us in the Telegram group. I'll drop the link in the description box of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.